Hi everyone, this is Deborah and I'm back with another challenge from Marguerite Miller. So this is number 6 that I'm doing and I'll go through them as we work. So the first one is something ornate. You don't need to do them in the order that they're listed, but I just happen to have a stencil here which is ornate, and I thought that this could be laid down on the page and create my background with it. I'm going to use some distress oxide. This one is pumice stone. And I'll just grab my tool here. This one there. And with my sponge, I'm just using it. So I'm hoping I don't have too much in the way of this black stuff coming off on my page, but I guess if it does, I'll just live with it. So I'm not really putting it over all the stencil. I'm just going to choose pieces and just randomly add some background to it, particularly around the edges. This is quite a detailed stencil, so once I take this off, I'm not going to be able to put it back on very easily. So I need to make sure that I get everything that I want done on it before I lift it. And plus the pumice stone is very pale. There you go. That's really cool. So that is my something ornate. Then we have to use a piece of dictionary page, which I have here. Something that turns or spins. I've already got that out as well, but let's just go with the dictionary page. A form or a portion of a blank form or filled in form. I've got a guess check, and I have distressed that at another time. It was just sitting in my stash. I've got a spinner for something that turns, which is here. It's one of the Tim Holtz spinners, and I've got a little brad out. And then something that starts with the letter C, and I've chosen children. Again, this is a pre-made piece of ephemera that I've made. I've got a whole box of them, and I just thought that I'd use that because that's going to look quite nice and blend in with the black and white of the little kids with the background that I'm doing. I have some stamps out as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those. The other bonus is something you see through a window, and I don't really have anything out for that, so we'll see how it goes. Now I just have to work out a composition for it without overwhelming everything I've just put on there, or that, because I love that. Before I put this down, I am going to work out where I might like to put it. I'll keep it quite simple today, actually. The spinner can go on here. This is a quote that I got from one of the Nick the Booksmith's quotes. So you get them, and I've printed them out on this heavier cardstock. And I think I will add it to the page as well. I think that's it for today. I'm just kept it really simple. It's not what I had in mind at all, but anyway. I've met the challenge, something ornate, so that's my background. A piece of dictionary page is here. something that turns or spins. I've got this spinner down here. Something that starts with the letter C, and I've chosen children. A form or a portion of the form, and that's the guess check here. I didn't do the bonus, but I'm super happy with that page. This is Deborah. Until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.